When the power goes out, do the windows fall down? Can I switch to manual? How do I do it? Are motorized windows safe or not? Now let's simulate turning off the power. The whole window has lost power. How to control the motorized window routinely after the window is still hovering. This is our emergency power supply that comes with the window. Plug our emergency power supply into the socket reserved on the window. Immediately resume motorized. After opening and closing the windows, wait until the power supply is restored. The motor will lock the height in the event of a power failure, preventing manual adjustment of the lift. This feature ensures that low floor users do not have to worry about burglary risks after a malicious power failure. The intelligent electric balcony window has been designed to consider various household situations, so there's no need to worry when the power is off.